Hello, hello. I am going to just wait a few minutes just in case I get anyone joining on in here. But yeah. All right, I guess camera might be a little bit delayed, but I ordered this about a week ago. So it's one of I believe it's called a Chinese gem pack is the box. It's the ones that are for the Pokemon show that are exclusive to China. I have a friend who really wants the Pikachu and Freed card, and so he's opened a couple of them. So let's see if we get anything. Wait, give me a second. There we go. Okay. So we're going to be opening it over here. Let me see if I can just get this open with my fingers. Okay, I might have to go and grab. Oh, no. There we go. Hell yeah. Okay. So we got, hold on. Damn. Hold on. I'm trying to open this without damaging the box. I'm trying to keep the box as intact as I physically can. Okay, there we go. So I don't remember. I think it's 15 packs that comes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep. I was right. Alright, we're just gonna keep box over to the side. Alright, sick. So, yeah, we're gonna leave those there. Pack 1. If I can get it open. There we go. I don't think there's any sort of like pack trick thing, but so we got a Sudowoodo. We got the Pikachu, Captain Pikachu, freed one. We got Florgato, and then we got a Master Ball Sudowoodo. So here, I'm gonna separate these. Here, we're gonna put them like this. Oh, here, let me get them. There we go. They should be in the frame just about now. Okay. Perfect. Now, time for the next pack. But yeah, so I know there's like the shiny cards, there's those full art cards. All right, so we got a Chansey with the Pokeball, we got Crocolore, we got Quaxley there, and then we've got one of these stamp ones. Those stamps have like kind of texture on them too. Actually, we're gonna go this way, like this. There we go. Whew, almost just sneezed there. But pack number 3. Let's get it. Okay, we've got Sprigatito. We've got Wooper. We've got Quaxwell. And then we've got a Master Ball Lechonk. Yeah, I don't actually know how many cards are technically in this set. And I don't know if you're guaranteed like a certain number of hits or anything either. But we've got the freed Pikachu again. We've got Waxley. Oh! This is one of the ones I actually did want. Coco is one of my favorites. It's definitely my favorite Pokemon of the I think it's Paldea that Coco is. I'm very blanking on regions, but yeah, Paldea. Yeah. Favorite Pokemon out of Paldea. Second favorite Pokemon ever, because my favorite is Teddy Ursa. But that is very, very cool. And we've got a Fuecoco there too, another Fuecoco, and the shiny Pikachu. So, kind of close to the freed Pikachu card. But that's two very cool cards in a row. Plus, we got two Pikachu or two Fuecocos. Yeah, I think I should just start at some point a binder with all my like favorite cards and stuff in them. Right, we got Quaxley, Florgato, and a shiny Florgato. Very, very cool. All right. So we got two shiny cards, and we got the full art Fuecoco. Yeah, so I don't know if like that means now I can't get any of the other full arts. Like if you're limited to just one full art per box, or if it's possible for us to get another full art card, or how many shinies you're limited to per box, or like how many of these ones, like things like that. I don't know if there's any sort of limit or anything, but we got more cards. Oh, we got the sparkly one there, and we got a shiny Quaxwell. I think. Yes, Quaxwell. I believe that's the name of that evolution. Now, the only one that we're missing a shiny card of, I believe, is anything from the Fuecoco line. So we got we got another freed Pikachu, and we got another stamped one, a Lechonk. Oh, broke that seal. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna. There we go. That pack is struggling with me. Alright, so we got Vulpix. That guy. Forgot its name. Oh, and we got an Ultra Ball with the stamp. Yeah. We're down to 5 packs left. So. Alright. Lechonk. Rockruff. Sudowoodo. And a shiny Crocalor. I believe. Because I think I bought the box that has the shiny of the whole Fuecoco line. So I believe I also have this card in English, but like as a promo. So I don't know if it's the exact same card or anything. But we got Whooper, we got Quaxwell, we got Crocolore, and then we've got, I think that's Mabostiff, Mabos, whatever. All right, 3 more packs. All right, we got Rockruff again. We got that guy, forgot his name. And then we got Quaquaval. All right, second to last pack. Let's see if it is possible for us. Hold on, if I can get it to open. Damn. Yeah, let's see if it is possible for us to pull another full art card, or did we get our one and only? All right, last pack magic. Do we have anything else cool coming out of this pack? Oh, Fuecoco, Whooper, and then we got Crocolore. So we got the full art Fuecoco, so no freed Pikachu. I wish there's a one. There we go. But we got the full art Fuecoco. We got the shiny Crocolore, the shiny Waxwell, and then the shiny Florgato, and the shiny Pikachu. And then we got a bunch of these type cards that all have the type on them. And we got a couple Fuecocos in there, so that's very, very cool. And then we've got the Pokeballs, and we've got a Crocolore in there, but sadly no Fuecocos for the Pokeballs. And then for the Master Balls, we've got Crocolore as well. So again, sadly, no Fuecocos in there. But in here, we've got Fuecoco, we've got Crocolore, we've got 2 Fuecocos, and we've got some of the Pikachus in there as well. And then we've got these 3 stamped ones. But yeah, that is going to be it for the stream. Very cool box. I would definitely open more of these if it wasn't so expensive and took so long to arrive. But these are definitely very cool boxes. I like opening the ones that are the non-English boxes more than the English boxes, honestly, just cuz the non-English ones have things like these, like the Master Ball, Pokeball, like they have these like cool different designs on the cards, and honestly the cards just look a lot better in other languages than in English. But maybe when the English UPC for the Ultra Premium Collection for what's it called? Prismatic Evolutions, maybe when that releases, I will try to get my hands on one so that we can open it on stream. But who knows? Probably won't get lucky enough to get one. And they are going to be fairly expensive, because I know usually the UPCs are around like 100-ish, 120 bucks. And if it ends up selling out really quick, like the one place that I've seen a lot of cards be at has been at my local GameStop. But last time I went there, I ended up being pretty late because I had to work in the morning. So I didn't end up getting any of the new drop. But hopefully, with the release of the Ultra Premium Collection for Prismatic, we'll be able to open up some packs from there, because it's also got that really cool Eevee promo. But that is going to be it for the stream today. We got our 5 prize cards right here, plus our Fuecocos. Always. Oh, I guess you can't see the Fuecocos, but our Fuecoco as well. Fuecoco, best Pokemon from this generation. Second best Pokemon overall, just behind Teddiursa. Teddiursa is the GOAT in my opinion, but Fuecoco is also a certified GOAT as well. But I will see you guys in another stream tomorrow. I am going to start doing daily streams and possibly daily uploads. Especially with streams, it'll be a little bit more possible to upload more, but daily streams will be happening. Today is the start of the daily streams for the next foreseeable future, and daily uploads. Hopefully, I will be able to start doing that starting tomorrow. But I will see you guys tomorrow for another stream. Peace out. That was pretty lame, but see you tomorrow for another stream.